Oppo K9s smartphone was launched as the latest entrant in the Oppo K series in China. The Oppo K9s is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G SoC and features a 120Hz hole-punch display. It packs a 5000 mAh height battery and weighs 199 grams. The phone has a rectangular-shaped camera module at the back with a triple rear camera setup. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and comes in 3 unique color options. The new Oppo K9s is priced in China at 1,499 Chinese yuans, roughly 17,500 rupees, for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage option and 1,699 Chinese yuans, roughly 19,900 rupees, for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model.